Hello, Candiners. We are Candina Group finally open for ASEAN seafarers to join on board with our Roro and Ropax vessels under Italian flag. Yeah, we are open for renting and also officers to join on board with us. The requirement is candidates. It should have Italian basic language and Italian fiscal code. If you have any experiences on board with Italian flag before, so you will have Italian fiscal code. And if you didn't have any fiscal code, you can process it in Italian embassy in your countries. It's very easy to get it. You just come to Italian embassy and they will provide it to you. The salary will be for second officers will be 3,600 euro, and for the officers is 3,500. Second engineer is 5,000 euro, and third engineer is 3,300 euro. For electrician, 3,300 euros, and also we have fitter. Fitter is 3,200 euro. AB is 3,100 euro. We have deck boy also. It's ordinary Siemens. We are paying for 2,500 euro. And also the important is we are also open for truck driver. Truck driver is pay for 3,300 euro. Yeah, all payment will be on euro, and social security will be paid by others. So if you are ASEAN seafarers, you have experiences with Italian flag, or you have Italian fiscal code or endorsement with from Italian government, you can apply to us. And if you didn't have any basic Italian language, you can learn. We will provide the manual book for to learn the Italian basic language. It is provided by our owner, so you can learn it. And it's very simple because Italian is very simple, so you can learn it fast. And if you are already have a basic Italian, you can apply to us in our database, or you can just send your CV to our email. We will provide it in our description. Okay, bye bye, and please like, subscribe, and share this video.